two trusted giants in life insurance, one crucial decision, which is truly better for you? On one side, the long-established Prudential, respected for its legacy, and on the other, Banner Life, known for competitive rates and straightforward policies. We're skipping the sales talk, let's dig into the facts that actually matter. Each area gets points, and at the end, we'll reveal exactly which insurer stands out. The winner might just surprise you. Here's our roadmap for the day. First, we're going to break it down by price and value, then look at policy options, poke around their underwriting flexibility, check out financial strength and history, and finally, we'll see who's packing more when it comes to riders and living benefits. Ready? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with price and value. So Prudential, honestly, they've got some solid stuff here, like their conversion options and that waiver of premium rider, which is super handy if you ever hit tough times. But you will probably notice they tend to run a bit pricier for the same amount of coverage. Now, Banner Life, they're kinda the go-to for people who want rock-bottom rates, especially if you're a little older, like their pricing just stays competitive. The only thing is, they're all about term life, so if you want something that lasts your whole life, that could be a deal-breaker. Still, when it comes to best bang for your buck, Banner's definitely walking away with this round. Moving on to policy options. Here, Prudential's almost showing off. They've got term, whole, and universal life. So if you have no idea what you want or you just like options, this is a dream, but honestly, it can get a little overwhelming. Banner, on the flip side, keeps it simple, just straightforward term life, clear riders, nothing too fancy. That simplicity feels nice, but it's kinda limiting if you want more flexibility or add-ons. Prudential seriously wins this one thanks to sheer variety. Now let's talk underwriting flexibility. You know how easy it is to actually qualify. Prudential tends to be more forgiving, especially if you've got a few health hiccups in your past, plus they've got accelerated underwriting on tap. But be ready for a required medical exam if you're aiming for a higher coverage amount. As for Banner, if you're healthy, you might breeze through their super speedy digital process. But if you're a smoker or have some medical bumps, they can get pretty picky. Overall, Prudential's got more lenience, so they take this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Banner Life's parent company, Legal & General, actually covers over 10 million people worldwide? That's not a small number. Let's talk about financial strength and company history, because who wants a policy from a company that's about to vanish? Prudential's been around for what feels like forever, over 145 years, plus they're rocking some of the highest ratings out there with AM Best. Banner's no newbie either. They've got that A-plus parent company, Legal & General, but they just don't have the same legendary name recognition. Honestly, hard to argue against Prudential here. This category easily goes to them. Now, riders and living benefits. This is where it gets practical for everyday life, right? Prudential is like a candy store, tons of choices. Living benefits for illness, a waiver of premium if you become disabled, accidental death, really robust conversion options, the whole shebang. Banner Life, well, you do get an accelerated death benefit automatically, which is cool, but if you want to stack more customization, you might feel boxed in. So again, this one's comfortably in Prudential's corner. So if you're a visual person, you can actually see on this chart where each company dominates. It's pretty clear. Prudential leads in most categories, but Banner totally owns the low-price game. So bottom line, Prudential's the better pick if you need more complex coverage or have unique needs, think health conditions, tons of riders, or you just love options. But if all you want is term insurance and a monthly payment that doesn't hurt, Banner Life is hard to beat for value. If this breakdown helped you, send it along to anyone else shopping for life insurance. And definitely stay tuned for next time because we're always breaking down the numbers to make you feel more confident about this stuff.